In a peaceful village, a little sparrow named Sia lived in a tall mango tree. She was known for her kindness and honesty. One day, a great storm swept through the village, shaking the trees and scattering nests. When the storm passed, Sia saw a small pigeon sitting on the ground, shivering and scared. "Are you okay?" Sia chirped. "I lost my nest," the pigeon sobbed. Sia felt sad for him and decided to help. She shared twigs and leaves from her own home to help the pigeon rebuild. Soon, other birds noticed her kindness and joined in. The pigeon's nest was rebuilt, stronger than before. Days later, a crow flew in with a shiny gold ring in its beak. "I found this near the river," he called. "Who wants it?" The other birds whispered excitedly, but Sia shook her head. "It must belong to someone. We should return it." The crow frowned, but Sia flew to the village and asked around. Soon she found a woman searching for the ring. She returned it, and the woman smiled. "You are honest and kind," she said, scattering grains for Sia and her friends. Moral: honesty and kindness always bring rewards. Thanks for watching.